Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea. It is time for the day 14 update on the Green Ocean Zoo tank. Just a quick video. I've got to feed them today. You can just see one of them swimming around there at the moment. And give them some plasma. There you go, you can just see him swimming around there. And there are some smaller ones just jittering around the tank. You can see one there at the moment. So what we're going to do today is feed them their vitamins and give them some plasma. So I alternate. 1 week I give them food, the next week I give them the Sea Monkey Red Magic vitamins. That's what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So we're just going to take the lid off the tank. We've got the Sea Monkey Red Magic vitamins. And as always, this is the small end of the spoon for feeding. So, just going to get that in there. And just pop that in the top of the tank. You see it's clumped a little bit, but we can just break that up against the side like so, and just give that a little bit of a stir in, which also helps aerate the tank at the same time, which is important with the babies. And because it's 10 days since they hatched, what we're going to do is add number 4, which is the Sea Monkey Plasma. So this doesn't come in all of the sets. This is an item that I bought separately, which you can get now in the UK, finally, from the Sea Monkeys website, which I will drop a link down in the description. So you've got the how to use instructions on the back, which is 10 days after hatching, 3 large scoops of the plasma. So we're going to go ahead and rip the top off. And this time, unlike the feeding, we're going to use the large end of the spoon. You can see this is what the packet looks like, and we're just going to add 3 large scoops into the tank. This will help your babies thrive. There we go, so that's 3 scoops into the tank. I'm just going to give that a little bit of a stir. So, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you've got any tanks, as always, let me know how they're getting on down in the comments. I would love to hear. Have yours hatched yet? How are they getting on? How many have you got? If you enjoyed the video, please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. This is Victoria with Tea in the Deep Blue Sea. Goodbye.